This is Waec 2020 test of oral English first question. Question number 35. The instruction says we should look out for the word or option that rhymes with the given word. The given word here is pronounced as firm, firm, firm. So by this international phonetic transcription, it is called firm. Then option A. And also take note that firm is a noun. Firm is a noun, and one syllable, and one syllable. Take note of that. The option A is pronounced as burn, burn, burn. Burn. And it is also a noun word. It is also a noun word of one syllable. A noun word of one syllable. The option B, it is pronounced as worm, not worm, as people pronounce it. It is worm. And it is also a noun word. A noun word of one syllable. One syllable. Option C is pronounced as burn, not burn, as people also pronounce it. Burn, burn. And it is a verb because it is an action word, but of one syllable. One syllable. One syllable. Then option D is pronounced as girl, girl, not girl, 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 girl. And it is a noun word. It is a noun word of one syllable. So by this translation, or its phonetic translation, the option that rhymes with the given word is option B, because you find out that the given word end with nasal sound and then also the option B also end with nasal sound and of course each of the option has a sound, but option B end with nasal sound as the given word. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.